I lost 100 because I accidentally de-risked. I mixed up ticks with the points, and so I de-risked by a quarter. Let's see. Bias was bullish, which is completely wrong. And why? Because London swept out previous day lows on NQ. Yes, it was higher, so I was like, I'm gonna end on ES and long that, and long over to like London high, Asia high maybe. Also, I thought that this was an SMT. It wasn't an SMT because, you know, there's no high here. But at the time, it was high, so it looked like it was an SMT, but it wasn't. But the count didn't close yet, so I shouldn't have counted that. So no SMT. And so I come in market open. Market opens, trades lower. Usually that's a good sign because usually at the start it price. Usually the bias is the opposite direction of what it does at the start, basically. I get this confirmation, IFVG, on NQ. On ES we get it. We get a confirmation here. This gap. And so 1 minute, waiting for a retrace. So we get a break structure to the downside here, and we get a break structure to the upside here on NQ. And then I used this gap instead, this 5 minute gap instead of 1 minute break structure to the downside on ES. So it tapped into this gap and then waited for a 1 minute break structure to the upside. We got it with this candle. I entered longs on the closure of this candle. I put stop here and then a 1-to-1 like this, and then got stops out obviously. And so pre-market analysis was wrong. Entry was a little bit, I don't know, was a little bit strange for me. I usually don't do that sort of thing where I use different confluences on the pairs to try and validate an entry. But the A plus setup is here, is somewhere, where is it? Is like here. Get a break structure downside here on the 5 minute, and then on ES we also get it. So then we wait for here, yeah. 1050. What is all these lines? 1050. Get as well here. 1050 break structure to the upside happens here. It's a little bit late, but it doesn't really matter. Short here, I think, if ES also break structure downside with this candle. 1103. Yeah. Entry on the closure of this candle. Stop on the previous 5 minute high, which at the time wasn't this high, it was actually this high. And then short all the way probably here to be conservative, just to not, I mean that's a little bit high. I probably wouldn't have done that, but it would have been something like this, like a 2RR, TP1, TP2, like that, and it would have been a banger trade. But the only thing stopping me from trading this was my pre-market analysis. So today, my pre-market analysis, pretty sure last time the thing that was wrong was the entry, I think. But today, the pre-market analysis was just not good. Mainly because of the SMT, because of the SP that wasn't there, that I thought was there. And yeah, so I lost 100 because I accidentally de-risked.